This is a $5 Trucks and Bucks ticket. Okay, match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win the prize shown. Reveal the lot of money. Win the prize automatically. Reveal 5 times. Win 5 times the prize. Reveal an all. Win all 15 prizes. Okay. And to enter to win the truck, it's a secondary drawing. Enter for a chance to win a 2023 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew. There will be 3 drawings to award the following prizes on each drawing date. A grand prize, 1 per drawing, 3 total. A 2023 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew. A second prize, 5 per drawing, 15 total. $1,000 cash, taxes paid.
Cool.
So it's $1,000, period.
Cool.
Enter eligible Missouri Lottery game tickets and the Trucks and Bucks Scratchers tickets through the My Lottery Players Club through the mobile app or at molottery.com. 1 entry will be earned for every $5 Truck and Buck ticket entered. The drawing deadline dates are 4/24, 6/19, and 8/14.
We got 1 chance left.
Mm-hmm.
Today is 7/5, by the way, when we're scratching these. These won't come out until later this year.
Yep.
Let's see what my numbers are to match. 14, 25, 17, 9, and 1. 13, 30, 20, 36, 6, 22, 7, 15. Hey, I got 14. $5. 11, 27, 2, 40, 16, and 12. Oh, I got my $5 back for this ticket.